In this video, I'm going to be talking about multitasking and productivity on the OnePlus Pad 2. So last year, I reviewed the first generation OnePlus Pad, and I gave it a good review. I really liked it. It has some great features, the display, the battery, but there was some room for improvement, specifically in the gaming area and the performance area. So this tablet is great for productivity and multitasking. So for example, it's very easy to have multiple apps open at the same time, and this is a feature that was first on the OnePlus Open, so I'm glad that they brought it over to the tablet. So you can have 3 apps open at the same time, and it's very easy to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and open up one app. So there's a Chrome right here. So I can go ahead and swipe up with Google Chrome. I can go ahead and click on the 3 dots, click on split screen, click on my second app, and there you go. Now I got 2 apps open at the same time. You can do this on all Android devices. You can open up a third app with the app drawer, and you can see all your favorite apps. You can customize this by clicking edit, and you can change up all your apps. Let's say I want to have the Files app opened up also. I can go ahead and click on that. You can see it's very easy. I have full access to both apps. I'm not switching between both of them. I can swipe, I can tap, I can interact with each of them, and I can move the third window all around so I can hide it so it's not in my way. You can really get creative. You could have a Zoom window on one side, you can have a web browser on another side, your notes on one side, or you can watch Netflix on the other side. This is the fastest way to do split screen on the OnePlus Pad 2. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Notes app. And with 2 fingers, I'm going to swipe from the top all the way down. Now I can open up a second app and it would appear on the second side. So I'm going to do Google Chrome. And there you go. Now I got a split screen. So if I want to add a third app and use it at the same time, I can go ahead and swip to the right. So let's say Netflix. Go ahead and drag it to the middle. And you can see I got Netflix right here. And if I use 4 fingers and pinch, now I can use all 3 apps at the same time. And my third window, if I want to expand it, I just got to click on the little arrows up here. And now I'm back to using one app. Let's take another look at the app drawer. So this was first on the OnePlus Open, and now it's on the OnePlus Pad. So this is great if someone sends you a document, a photo. You can just open up your app drawer and see your recent files right there, and then drag it into the app that you want. So let's say someone emails you a photo, emails you a document, you got to sign that document. You can easily open it up right there and edit it, sign it. And as I said before, we can go ahead and edit our apps. So I can go ahead and put like Discord. I can put like Gmail. I think Gmail's already there. Outlook, it's already there. So those are my favorite apps. And I have quick access to them right there on the right-hand side. And I'm going to go ahead and put done. I can quickly take a screenshot or start a screen recording right there. And as I said before, I got my recent files right here. So I can go ahead and click on that. And you can see I'm working on some videos, and you can see my videos right there. So that's very handy. I don't got to open up my file explorer. I got quick access to my recent files right there.